Putting to end the jurisdictional tussle between the Bihar police and the Mumbai police, the Supreme Court held that the Central Bureau of Investigation's probe into the FIR lodged against actress Rhea Chakravarti in connections with the death of Sushant Singh Rajput is lawful. The court has further directed the Mumbai police to hand over all the evidence in the case to the CBI. The judgment was passed by a single judge bench of Justice Rishikesh Roy. The court also directed the CBI to look into any other cases registered in the future in relation to the death of Rajput. The Maharashtra government has been ordered to assist the CBI in the investigations in deciding the matter. Supreme Court has invoked Article 142 to decide the matter. Validity of Section 406 was also assessed.
The Supreme Court has upheld the Bihar government's order to transfer the probe in the case related to the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput to CBI. A single bench of Justice Rishikesh Roy held that Bihar police had jurisdiction to register FIR with respect to death of Sushant Singh Rajput at the complaint of the actor's father and held the transfer to CBI valid. The court has directed Maharashtra police to hand over the case files to CBI and to render necessary assistance.
आज बड़ी भारी विक्ट्री है सुशांत सिंह के परिवार के लिए। ये एक लड़ाई हम लड़ रहे हैं 2 महीने से ज़्यादा से सुशांत को जस्टिस दिलाने के लिए, उनके परिवार को जस्टिस दिलाने के लिए। और इतने अड़चने आ रही थी, इतने बाधाएं पड़ रही थी। मुंबई पुलिस ने इसको दिशा बिल्कुल गलत दिशा दे रखा था। और आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बड़ा स्पष्ट शब्दों में कह दिया है कि मुंबई पुलिस ने जो भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया उसका बड़ा लिमिटेड दायरा था, उसमें कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं था। कोर्ट ने यह भी कह दिया है कि पटना पुलिस में FIR रजिस्टर करने की अब बिल्कुल जुरिस्डिक्शन था। कोर्ट ने यह भी कह दिया है कि बिहार सरकार CBI को रेफर कर सकता था मामले को। लेकिन इन सब के बावजूद कोर्ट ने सबसे बड़ी बात यह कह दी है कि इस CBI इन्वेस्टिगेशन को हम अपने कोर्ट का भी स्टैंप दे रहे हैं और कोर्ट की तरफ से भी कह रहे हैं कि ये CBI से ही होनी चाहिए।
The court, while invoking its plenary jurisdiction under Article 142 of the Constitution, has held that if any other case is registered on the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput and the surrounding circumstances of his unnatural death, the CBI is directed to investigate the new case as well. Justice Rishikesh Roy held that a fair, competent and impartial investigation is the need of the hour. The court also held that any future FIR which is likely to be registered by the Mumbai police in furtherance of its inquiry process under Section 174 CRPC should also be investigated by the CBI. Court, while taking note of both states are making acrimonious allegation of political interference against each other, has observed that the legitimacy of the investigation has come under a cloud. While holding that the incidents referred to in the complaint indicate that the Mumbai police possesses the jurisdiction to undertake investigation on those circumstances, therefore, in the event of a case being registered in Mumbai, the consent of the investigation by the CBI under Section 6 of the Delhi Special Police Establishment DPSE Act can be competently given by Maharashtra government. One of the issues considered by the court in this case was whether the Supreme Court has power to transfer investigation, not case or appeal, under Section 406 of the CRPC. To answer this issue, the judge referred to the decision in Ramchandra Singh Sagar versus State of Tamil Nadu in 1978, in which it was held that the power under Section 406 CRPC does not clothe the court with the power to transfer investigation from one police station to another in the country simply because the first information or a remand reported is forwarded to a court. A single bench of Justice Rishikesh Roy had reserved order after hearing Chakravarti, Bihar government, Maharashtra government, Central Bureau of Investigation and Rajput father on 11th of August. Rajput, aged 34, was found dead in suburban Bandra in Mumbai on 14th of June. Bureau Report.